I feel like I'm out here recording videos like on the Blair Witch Project. Guys, I'm scared. No, I'm just kidding. I finally got this little camera to work, and I'm out here just using my phone light. I needed a new camera to start vlogging and making videos again. Been taking a little break. So yesterday we went to Home Depot and we picked up a nectarine tree, a yellow nectarine tree. And then I also picked up a bunch of seeds, flower seeds specifically. We're trying to kind of like organize our like fruit and vegetable planting stuff a little bit, but we also are building the garden beds. So we're not really planting anything yet. Anymore. I don't know if we still can, but right now we still have beets, carrots, jalapeno tree, and tomatoes. But the tomato leaves are like drying up, and I don't know why. Anyway, those are the only like vegetables that we have, and then obviously the fruit trees that we have. Like, it's very messy back here. Let me show you guys the seeds that I got and the nectarine tree. Here's the tag. Nectarine double delight. Tangelo tree, fig tree, lemon tree, a pomegranate tree. So these three were here when we moved in 3 years ago. So I would say they're about 5-ish years old. And then this was a gift from my cousin. I've gotten a fruit or two, but yeah, we need to get in there and like wrap it around. It was like tiny. It was like this small. I think we planted it in the end of November 2024. So yeah, we've had a lot of growth. Now with the nectarine tree, I'm thinking to plant it over here. We'll see what Ramses thinks. Ramses has been working his ass off on the freaking rain gutters because it's supposed to be like a really intense monsoon season this year. There's supposed to be like a super El Nino or something. We have been planning this for a while. He finally got everything and he's been kind of just doing it on his own because my suegro was in Mexico. They went to the Mundial to Mexico City, so they just got back a couple days ago. So that also has caused a little bit of a standstill with the garden stuff. The closer it's been getting to summer solstice, it's been getting hotter and hotter. So that also is another hindrance on what we're doing out here. But Ramses is prepared. If anything, he's prepared. Oh, hey, so what do you think about the tree? I thought that's why we came out here. I think like even right here. What do you think?
Well, I think it's gonna be too much in line. Like if we have a walkway here.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, you're right. No, yeah, let's do it right here, right there in between. A little before and after, right there. After, voila. So it's the next day, the next morning. Here she is. I think this is a really good spot.
Yeah, she was beautiful.
Oh, there's a flower in the pomegranate. Yay. Good morning. So we are in the garage. I know that you guys see me a lot in here in my videos, but lately that has not been the case. Figured it would be a good day to vlog. I haven't vlogged in a while. I got a new camera to vlog because I've just been having issues with my old one, and we're going to be traveling next month, taking the kids to do some things. So I felt like I needed to upgrade, and I found this camera on TikTok shop, so I'm excited. And also all the gardening things that we're doing outside, it's nice to have this like wide angle camera. So okay, so Ramses is getting his massage right now. Oh my god, it's so bright. Okay, I found some sunglasses. We're gonna do the sunflowers first. I got two different kinds, mixed colors and the moonshine. So this is the area between these two plants here. Now looking at it, it looks really big. I'm gonna try to get them close to the wall, and then we'll eventually build some trellises to support them.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the crowd.
Okay, so I just did the mixed sunflowers, and I ended up getting, oh my god, I lost count, 34 sunflowers or something like that, and I put one in each hole. I'm gonna water them and then bring my pot over here, and I'm gonna do the zinnias like right here in the middle. Okay, I have 2 packs of zinnias, the mixed color ones, and then I have red ones. So I think I'm gonna put the zinnias in front of the sunflowers because they also like a lot of sun. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll put the red ones in the big pot, and then I'm gonna put the wildflowers on this side. Also gonna do the black-eyed Susans in a pot as well, like a little bit of a smaller pot. 70. I got 70 little holes. I put several in a handful or 2. And I put my little flannel on so that I don't get burnt. I forget to put it on. So I'm gonna order more shirts like this. Like I realized like throwing this on too to come out helps with, you know, the sun and stuff. But yeah, I'm just cleaning up the patio here. Let me show you guys. So Ramses has like a bunch of tools and stuff out here because he's working on the rain gutters, but essentially we picked this up on TikTok shop. It comes with this little table too. Right now this is just kind of our chill, like when we chill at night and stuff, we like hang out here. I was just sweeping because I've been keeping some plants over here and I've just been struggling to keep things alive. I think this one just likes to be neglected. I was like watering it and stuff, but yeah, and I need to make sure that my soil stays like kind of soft. I've realized that when the soil starts to get too stuck together, that's not good. And these were, oh my god, these were zinnias. And I don't know what happened. They were doing so well. And then all of a sudden they started to crisp. So I don't know. I think the stem looks really good, you know? So I don't know what to do. I think I might just like cut them. I don't know if I was like watering it too much. That's usually the problem. With my plants. So I had a bunch of like potting soil and stuff, so I kind of just swept up a little bit, and I'm gonna figure out the layout here. Okay, we had a little mini monsoon a little while ago. So this, oh yeah, so the sky looks insane right now. I'm done with my hair and went outside to go scrounge up a pot. Funny enough, this red pot used to house this snake plant originally, and I don't remember, I'm assuming I wanted it to like grow more, so put it in a bigger pot. And it has been growing, but the leaves are like small. So I was reading up on it and I read that the less space that it has, the better, because it likes to fight for the space, I guess, like more space, like less growth. I don't know. So anyway, I put it in this one, and I figured it would be better to put it in a smaller pot anyway, because I've been wanting to put the snake plant in my bathroom, and this pot is a little bit big for my bathroom. And then these I need to put in some soil. My little money tree, I've been wanting to separate it, and it was 5 of them, but 2 of them were dry and had no leaves. So I'm like, why am I gonna plant them again? So let's see how this works out. Okay, now this is the big money tree. I had it in a, I guess the pot is just a little deeper, a little smaller, a little more shallow. Okay, she's gonna go right there. Hopefully Ramses doesn't mind. Okay, so I propagated these cuttings months ago. They were in water, so I finally put them in soil. So I ended up getting 1, these are so tiny, 2, 3, and then this one, 2, 4. So I'm really excited for these. We've had this money tree for a while, so I was a little nervous to do this, but I think it's gonna be all right. So yeah, I'm tired now. I'm out of soil, so me switching out the big money tree to like a little bit smaller of a pot freed up enough for me to finally plant the pothos that I propagated. I gotta make dinner now.